Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Amazing Tips for You. Today I have brought to you a skin whitening scrub recipe that is so simple, a beauty recipe that is incredibly moisturizing and exfoliating to the skin. In today's video, I'll show you 2 steps to a complete skincare for a flawless, smoother skin. One is a wash and the other one is a scrub. Both the wash and scrub help with acne, uneven skin tone, hyperpigmentation, wrinkles, scars, and brightens and whitens the dull, damaged, dry skin. The scrub recipe that I have brought to you today is a simple beauty secret that is incredibly moisturizing and exfoliating to the skin. This scrub can be used on face, body, and especially feet to slow off dried skin cells and moisturize. The result? Silky, smooth skin with minimal effort. This scrub brightens tired, dull-looking skin and promotes healthy, smooth and flawless skin. This scrub also fights skin aging in a natural way. From my personal experience, this scrub greatly helps with tan removal, back acne and uneven skin tone. This scrub does have a whitening effect on the body and helps to improve complexion. Now let's get started for a flawless, brighter you. But wait, are you new here? Then a hearty welcome to the Amazing Tips for You fam. Thank you for being here. I regularly upload hair growth hacks, skincare tips, product reviews, fitness hacks and everything you would love. So smash on the subscribe button and tap on the bell icon to receive notifications about all my new uploads. First, let us prepare the scrub. To a bowl, I'm adding in 1 cup of sugar. You can use any type of granulated sugar. Then half a cup of rice flour or rice powder. Then add in the juice from half a lemon. You can use a full lemon if the lemon is too small. And then finally add in 2 to 3 tablespoons of extra virgin coconut oil or olive oil. Mix everything well and you'll get a nice aromatic coarse scrub. You can make it in excess and then store it in an airtight container for 2 weeks. Now for the wash. Take some rice, rinse it thoroughly and drain. Use about 4 times more water than rice. Stir the rice and water together and bring it to a boil. After the rice is cooked, strain out the starchy water. That's it, a natural skin lightening toner is ready. It is one of the magical water to keep our skin and hair healthy. Yes, rice water has been used in many hair and skincare products for ages now. It has been in the daily beauty routine of Japanese and Korean women, and we cannot deny the fact of how beautiful and young their skin is. Rice water for skin whitening is one of the best luxurious treatments you can give to your skin. This rice water is a natural moisturizer. It reduces pore size. It is mild for your skin and brightens skin. It also heals acne and can also be used as a skin toner. It is a natural skin whitening secret commonly used by women in Asian countries. It is inexpensive and natural compared to costly skin lightening chemicals. For a fairer and a brighter skin, first exfoliate your skin using the skin whitening scrub that is mentioned in the video, and then splash the rice water on your face repeatedly. Leave the rice water on your face and allow it to air dry. This rice water treatment can be used every day, but the scrub is to be used only 2 to 3 times a week. Remember to use the rice water on your neck as well to avoid dark skin patches. Refrigerate leftover rice water. Rice water and rice flour protect your skin from harmful UV rays. Exfoliating property of rice water wipes impurities and dead cells off the skin. Rice water is full of vitamins, minerals and antioxidant agents that can help to lighten dark spots, fade aging wrinkles and remove sunspots. Antioxidant activity helps to fight free radicals that can damage your cell membrane, resulting in fine lines. Rice water exhibits astringent activity which helps to shrink ugly pores over the skin. This makes your skin look firm and young. Inflammation caused by acne blemishes can be reduced using anti-inflammatory properties residing in rice water. Assorted nutrients in rice water tones your skin and makes it smooth. The excellent thing about this beauty regime is that it takes only a few minutes. Use the scrub and then wash your face with a cup of rice water and allow it to dry naturally for 15 minutes. That's it. The combo of rice scrub and the rice water face wash makes an excellent skin lightening home remedy. The exceptional nutrients in this homemade toner and the homemade scrub penetrate deep into the skin and enhance its functioning to whiten, brighten, and to give you a flawless skin. So do try out this homemade rice water toner and the homemade scrub for a fairer, brighter, lighter and a glowing skin. If you like the video, then do give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Take care. Bye-bye.